From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, Kemi Olunloyo, a veteran journalist and public relations strategist, recently shares a view about late singer Mohbad's wife, Wunmi, and her recent media interviews, claiming it's an orchestrated plan to sway away people from the actual narrative, pointing Wunmi as a prime suspect in Mohbad's death case. However, Kemi revealed that Wunmi has been prepared and coached for media tours to divert the case of Mohbad's death to her father-in-law and properties. She said Mohbad has been in the mortuary since the 22nd of September 2023. The journalist, however, detailed the incident which led to the late singer's death. She said Wunmi and Mohbad had an altercation regarding the DNA of Liam. In the middle of the heat, Mohbad fell on the stairs, met her, and broke his neck, which led to his death.
I don't know how they're going to work it out because Joseph Aloba was not there when they were fighting, and Mohbad was pushed on the step and he was severely injured with a sharp object. You can try juju, but that doesn't work in court. The people protecting Wunmi's names are going to be out soon. I know who they are.
However, Kemi claimed Mohbad's death case is a manslaughter case, not a natural death. She claimed Wunmi is a liar, and she asked the backup of 2 kings and a senator protecting her.
But Mohbad is a victim of a bad partner. Mohbad's fight with Wunmi started over the paternity of a boy that she's critically avoiding. There is 1 senator and 2 monarchs involved in this case. Don't worry. That's all I'm going to tell you for now.
Kemi affirmatively said Wunmi killed Mohbad and insisted a new DNA be done for Liam, Wunmi's son, before he could be addressed as Mohbad's son.
Wunmi Adebanjo took Mohbad's life. I tweeted almost 12 times, 12 affirmative tweets, not non-affirmative. Non-affirmative means allegedly. No. I went and tweeted from my chest. Wunmi killed Mohbad. Wunmi took Mohbad's life. The police ignored it.
She said they conducted DNA by Tonto in Abuja and another conducted by Yabo Ojo in Lagos are inconclusive. While this new revelation has sparked reactions online, we'll continue to monitor the story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.